Daewoo Bus Workshop is a state-of-the-art facility dedicated to maintaining the fleet of buses operated by Daewoo Express, This workshop is equipped with all the tools to ensure that our buses operate at the highest standards of safety and efficiency, providing our customers with a smooth transportation experience. At Daewoo Express, our future lies in innovation and modernization of transportation. Our future roadmap includes embracing e-mobility and automation of our operations to enhance efficiency. Our goal is to serve our valued passengers with sustainable and reliable transportation services.